This is a 2006 Cadillac CTS. It has a 3.6-liter six-cylinder engine and an automatic transmission. Features include a Delphi stereo system, a double wishbone independent front suspension, cruise control, leather seats, side curtain airbags, rear seat child-proof door locks, memory settings for the driver's seat's positions so you can recall your favorite position with the push of one button, air conditioning with automatic climate control, and XM satellite radio which streams commercial-free music, news, sports, and more. Please call today to reserve this vehicle for a test drive.
Lasco Ford is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your vehicle is as pleasant as possible. We're located at 2525 Owen Road in Fenton.